Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are tackling a frustrating issue that many players are facing in CS2. Specifically, we are looking at the game cannot be started error that occurs immediately after the Valve logo appears. We at Teknobalta analyzed this behavior and determined it is a classic case of runtime dependency failure. When an update is released for CS2, the game engine often requires updated instructions from the Windows operating system. These instructions are handled by the Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. If these files are corrupted, outdated, or missing, the game engine will crash during the initialization phase. Even if you verify the integrity of game files on Steam, it may not fix the issue because these are system-level libraries. Let us begin with the root cause analysis to understand why this happens on your PC. The error usually points to a missing DLL file that the game's executable is trying to call. Without this DLL, the software cannot communicate with the CPU and GPU effectively. Now, before we apply the main fix, we must perform some essential pre-checks. First, ensure that your Windows is fully updated to the latest version. Go to your settings, select Update and Security, and click on Check for Updates. Sometimes, Windows Update will automatically try to install missing runtimes, but it often fails to get the latest ones. Second, make sure your GPU drivers are up to date, whether you use NVIDIA or AMD. Outdated display drivers can sometimes conflict with new VC++ installations. Now let us move to the main solution path, which has been verified by the Teknobalta team. We need to download the Visual C Redistributable runtimes all in one package. This package is superior because it contains every version from 2005 up to the latest release in one installer. Navigate to a trusted source like TechPowerUp to find this package. On the download page, look for the latest version, which currently includes updates up to late 2024 or early 2025. Select a download mirror that is closest to your geographical location for the fastest speed. Once the file is downloaded, you will see a compressed zip folder. Right-click the file and select Extract All to a folder on your desktop. Inside the extracted folder, you will see many different installers for various years. Do not run them individually. Instead, look for a file named install_all.bat. Right-click on install_all.bat and select Run as administrator. This is a critical step because the script needs permission to modify system files in the Windows folder. A command prompt window will appear and begin the automated installation process. The script will automatically detect which versions are missing and install them sequentially. It will also repair any existing installations that might have been corrupted by previous software installs. You might see several pop-up windows appearing and disappearing. This is normal behavior. Do not close the command prompt window until it says that the process is complete. Once the script finishes, it is absolutely mandatory to restart your computer. Restarting ensures that the new DLL files are properly registered in the Windows registry. After the reboot, try launching CS2 again through Steam. In most cases, the game will now pass the Valve logo and reach the main menu without any errors. If the problem persists, we at Teknobalta recommend an alternative method involving the game's launch options. Open your Steam library, right-click on Counter-Strike 2, and select Properties. Under the General tab, look for the Launch Options box at the bottom. Type in -vulkan and try to launch the game. This forces the game to use the Vulkan API instead of DirectX, which can bypass certain runtime errors. If that does not work, try removing the command and typing -safe instead. Safe mode launches the game with minimal settings to ensure that a graphical configuration is not causing the crash. Another advanced step is to navigate to the game's installation folder. Usually, this is under Steam Apps, Common, Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Game, Bin, Win64. Find the CS2.exe file, right-click it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Also, click on Change High DPI Settings and check the box for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. This ensures the operating system doesn't interfere with how the game scales its window, which can cause launch crashes. We should also check for any third-party overlays that might be interfering with the game's startup. Disable Discord overlay, Steam overlay, and any software like MSI Afterburner temporarily. These programs hook into the game's rendering pipeline and can conflict with the VC++ runtimes. If you are still experiencing issues, we need to look at the DirectX Shader Cache. Open the Disk Cleanup utility on your Windows search bar. Select your C drive and check the box for DirectX Shader Cache, then click OK. Clearing the cache forces the game to rebuild its shaders, which might have been corrupted during the update. Now, let's discuss advanced optimization for CS2 to prevent future crashes. Ensure your power plan in Windows is set to high performance. This prevents the CPU from downclocking during the game's sensitive loading phase. Also, check your antivirus software. Sometimes it flags the new CS2.exe as a false positive. Add the entire Steam library folder as an exclusion in your antivirus settings. This reduces disk I/O overhead and prevents the antivirus from locking game files during launch. Let's summarize the technical steps we have taken today. We identified that the CS2 launch error is primarily caused by runtime library issues. We utilized the all-in-one VC++ installer to repair and update all necessary dependencies. We explored launch options like -vulkan and -safe to bypass engine initialization blocks. We also adjusted administrative privileges and cleared the shader cache for a clean environment. By following these steps, you ensure that your system environment is perfectly aligned with the game's requirements. Remember, technical troubleshooting is about isolating variables and applying systematic fixes. We at Teknobalta are committed to providing you with the most accurate and authoritative solutions for your PC problems. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow players. Keeping your runtimes updated is a best practice for any modern gaming setup. It prevents not just CS2 crashes, but issues in many other titles using similar engines. Thank you for trusting Teknobalta for your technical needs. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more world-class technical guides and PC troubleshooting. See you in the next one, and good luck on the server.